Welcome to the product tutorials on what are notifications within a Replicon instance. I'm now logged in into the Replicon instance. In Replicon, there are two kinds of email notifications or automated notifications that can be sent out to users. One is called email notifications and the other is called a notification. Based on the timesheet format that you use within Replicon, you will have respectively these notifications available. For instance, all the Gen 3 timesheet formats like standard and in-out will use email notifications, and the custom timesheet format or the widget timesheet format will use notifications. In this video, we will explain what notifications are and how they can be differentiated or configured. In order to have a view of notifications, go over to Administration and click on Notifications available under the Notification system. In general, notifications are of two kinds, one which is event-based and one which is time-based. The event-based notifications are triggered whenever there's any action taken within the Replicon instance. For instance, if a Replicon timesheet has been submitted, if it has been approved or rejected, if the timesheet has been modified, or if the time off has been submitted or it has been approved or rejected. Any action that takes place on any of the instances, then the notification is triggered and is called as the event-based notification. On the other hand, the time-based notifications are triggered at a specified time that you specify within the notification. Let's look at both these notifications quickly. The first, which is the event-based notification, I would just pick up an example of timesheet is approved. Here you can see employee timesheet is approved. When I click on it, you will first see the status of the notification. Since it's switched off, it is now disabled. To enable it, you can click on the on radio button. You will see the notification type specified up here. Now as I move further, the notification can be enabled for mobile or for the email messaging. For the mobile, you will get a push message on your mobile screen, and for the email message, you would receive an email in your inbox. The emails will be triggered if your email address is maintained in your user profile in Replicon. Coming down, you have a body of the email specified up here. This body has been configured by Replicon and can be changed by you at any point of time. If you would like to include some attributes as we have included, then you can click on the Insert Attribute button that's available here, and you can include any one of these in the body that you are configuring. Similarly, let's move over to a time-based notification. So I'm going to be moving over to a notification called Timesheet is Due. Now this Timesheet is Due notification will be triggered on the due date. It can also be triggered before or after the due date depending on what selection you've made in this particular drop-down. You can also decide the time at which this email should be triggered, and this time will follow the user's time zone that's been mentioned in the user profile. For instance, if my user profile has been set up in EST, it will be 12 a.m. EST. Similarly, if my colleague has been mentioned in PST, then it will be 12 a.m. PST. Very similar to event-based, these also have mobile push message and email messaging, and you can go ahead and change the body accordingly. You also have some options here to customize the body, so you can use any of these and the body will be customized and sent out accordingly. These are notifications, and remember that these will only run on custom or widget timesheet. Thank you for watching the video. Did you know that you can now stay updated about the new features of Replicon or get in touch with Replicon using the Replicon community? In order to access the Replicon community, from our homepage, go over to Customer Zone, and on Customer Zone, go ahead and choose Community. On this community, you can sign in, start posting your ideas, questions, and if there are any things that you would like the product management team to know directly, then go ahead and feel free to post the things here. Also, click on Categories, and under the Categories section, you can go ahead and choose Product Updates to stay updated about the new features that we implement every week in Replicon.